How to sell stocks on Charles Schwab website. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply search for schwab.com and then log in to your Schwab account. After that, you want to go ahead and simply find and click the trade option located at the top of your page, and then simply select all-in-one trade tickets. And after that, you want to go ahead and simply type in the ticker symbol of the stock you wish to sell. In the action field, simply choose sell and enter the number of the shares you would like to sell. And after that, you can simply go ahead and click on the action and quantity to choose how to manage your cost basis. And after that, go ahead and carefully review all details of your sell order. And if you're satisfied with the details, go ahead and simply tap on review order and then simply tap on place order to finalize your trade. And just like that, you will then be able to sell stocks on Charles Schwab website. And that ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.